Welcome, adventurers, to a journey through nature's paradise. Today, we explore some of the world's most stunning landscapes. Our journey begins here, at the edge of this majestic lake. From the vivid hues of these flowers to the emerald green surrounding foliage, nature paints a masterpiece for us to behold. Everywhere you turn, there's an explosion of color and life. Throughout our journey, one thing remains paramount: our commitment to preserving the harmony of this natural paradise. To respect the delicate balance of this ecosystem and ensure the comfort and safety of its inhabitants, we choose to embark on this adventure in silence. And here, in the heart of this ancient forest, we find ourselves surrounded by towering trees that seem to reach up and touch the sky. It's a place of quiet serenity, where time stands still and every breath fills your lungs with the purest air. Keeping our voices low and our movements slow minimizes our impact on the wildlife around us. We tread lightly upon the earth, leaving no trace of our passing so as not to disturb the delicate rhythms of nature. As we venture deeper into this enchanted wilderness, we do so with hearts full of reverence and minds attuned to nature's silent symphony. For in this sacred space, words are unnecessary. Silence speaks loudest of all.
And as the day draws to a close, we find ourselves in the comforting embrace of our campsite. Here, beside a crackling fire, a cat and a dog peacefully slumber, their tails twitching gently as they dream of the day's adventures. After a long day exploring the wonders of the wilderness, it's time to bid farewell to the enchanting sights and sounds of nature. So let us rest now, under the blanket of stars, knowing that tomorrow brings with it the promise of new adventures. It's time now to surrender ourselves to the star-studded canopy above, secure in the knowledge that the dawn will usher in a fresh canvas of exploration and discovery. Good night, dear friends, and may your dreams be filled with the beauty of the natural world. Until we meet again.